Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2016 Hyundai Tucson? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Tucson. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2016 Hyundai Tucson houses high current fuses that protect critical engine and electrical systems. It includes fuses for components like the radiator fan, ABS, headlights, and fuel system. Each fuse is clearly labeled for easy identification. Instrument panel fuse panel. The instrument panel fuse panel in the 2016 Hyundai Tucson contains fuses for interior and convenience features, including the audio system, interior lights, and power windows. Each fuse is labeled for quick identification, making it easy to replace when needed.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.